Hey guys, so thank you for watching us today. We have something amazing to share with you all. So today we are going to be making home-cooked pita burger. And this is some of the ingredients that you need before we begin. You're going to need shredded lettuce. You're also going to need tomatoes. As you can see here, I have some tomato. You're also going to need some slice of pita for this recipe. You're also going to need some beef patty, which I am already preparing in the grill. This is the main thing that you need for now. What we are going to cook is just simple barbecue style pita burger sandwiches. It's going to be a good experience. Thank you for standing by. Now let's go and finish grilling everything.
Open.
So now we can see here some greening going on. Ooh. The beef patty is almost ready. As you can see all the way in the top. One more thing you're going to need too. You're going to need American cheese. Singles. You can see the patty getting fried. Ooh. So now we are getting ready for this. Some extra ingredient that you're going to need by the end when you finish grilling the beef patty. You're going to need ketchup, mayonnaise. We also adding some cheddar cheese. So basically we are going to make a quick homemade pita burger. So this is a pita here. So what we are going to do next, so we have some extra ingredient here. As I mentioned earlier, we have the ketchup. Okay, so what we are doing next, we are doing something pretty simple. We're gonna put the American cheese, after adding the American cheese, well, this is optional too. You can add cheddar slice. I love cheddar. Cheddar will always give it a nice flavor, especially when it melts. In this case, I put 1.5. Then I'll add some lettuce and tomato. What we do next, this is optional too. We can add some sour cream. We can add some sour cream. To the mixture. Then we can put some ketchup. Some ketchup. just a little bit, not that much. Then after that, we will have our sandwich. We will have our burger pita. Very simple. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Can you see the texture? It looks pretty tasty. Wow. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button